Hey, so just want to talk real quick about what we're going to do today. We're going to head over to my brother-in-law's and put the old Cherokee in the shop. We're going to lift it up and we're going to do a little pinch weld mod. I want bigger tires on this thing, so eventually going to get a lift, but for starters we're going to work on this pinch weld. So the way I understand it is I can fit up to 265 70/17s on here. So that's what I'm shooting for right now. You'll see. Hi. Right now I'm still running the old Destination Firestone Destination all-terrains. Alright, and they're 245 65/17s. So not a ton of room in there, but we're gonna get back up in here, pull off that fender, and cut back the pinch weld on it. So we'll see how they work. Hopefully there'll be enough room. We'll measure that out. But hey, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think they'll fit, if they'll work. Just trying to figure this all out as I go along. From what I've read, from what I've seen, it sounds like they ought to work. But hey, we're gonna head over to the shop now, and we're gonna start grinding away on this pinch weld. So let's get at it.
Can you come? Why
don't you just go with your brother? Alright, now we got the wheel off. We gotta take the fender cover out of here. We've got several clips. We'll get them out of there. Then we'll open it up to the pinch weld. Crazy kids. Alright, so let's get those off. Get these out with some good old side clippers there. Booyah! Whoop! She going. Woo! We got a little bolt down here. It's like a 7mm bolt down there. Take that out. Alright, got all those out. This sucker. And we got a little...
I'm leaving.
I know. Just slide right back there.
What are you doing that?
To open it up.
Why are you...
See right in here?
Why are you putting it there?
Because I need to get to this. The pinch weld. We're going to grind that back, cut that back. Right in here. All the way up to around about this hump here. That should fit the tires, I believe. Should be good. All right.
That's some sticky purple stuff right there. Right there. I
Yep.
can touch it.
There's some grease there, all right.
Yeah, it's sticky.
Yeah. All right, here's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the old 6-inch cutting wheel. Try to cut that with, and then got a 60 grain flat disc. So clean it up before we prime it. The old Makita grinder. Let's get this all hooked up. Get going. Time to do some grinding. Real quick what we're gonna do when we get finished up on all this, whenever we get everything ground out and everything. Throw on some primer on all those areas that we cut on, and then went with some rubberized undercoat. So trying to protect all that. Primer time. Alright, so we got her all primered up and looking pretty good. So, just cut back nicely. I think that'll work. And there's what let's see, where's the pliers? There's what we took off. Right there. So, whoop. We'll find out if that works or not. There it is, side number 2. Really, all in all, that didn't take too long. I don't know. We'll see how it works. I got to put everything back on. And then next step will be the tires. We're not quite ready for those. But as soon as we get them, we got the pinch weld done. And we'll see how they fit. And I'll let you know, all right? So I'm going to put everything back together and get on out of here. one thing I want to add as we close up shop, and hey, if you like the video, give us a like, give it a thumbs up. All right, we'll be doing more upgrades. So if you like what we're doing, thumbs up, subscribe. All right, see you next time.